Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain the tips you need to know about making payment on 1688 with your bank card, what exactly you need to know. In this video, I'm not condemning anyone making payment with bank card, whether Visa card or MasterCard, but you need to pay proper attention to some tips I want to share with you right here if eventually you are making payment with either MasterCard or Visa card. Right here, I'm going to explain what you need to know in this particular video right here. So let's get started. So before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, what are the important tips you need to know about payment with MasterCard or Visa card in 1688? Number one thing you need to pay proper attention to is that each time you want to source or ship product from China using 1688, make sure that you communicate with the store. So before you check out with payment, make sure the product is available in store. And I'm going to use to avoid the problem of refund issue. However, if you have any refund issue and you make payment with your MasterCard or Visa card on 1688 to any Chinese supplier, there are another tips you need to take note about refund right here is that so for that particular refund process where you make payment with MasterCard and Visa card, I have a case study on my WhatsApp which I'm going to go ahead and open right here. I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here. Then I will go ahead and open my WhatsApp chat right here. Okay, so this person here contacts me. Good morning. I'm using dollar card on 1688 successful, but when I refunded, I'm not getting the money. Now almost 24 hours. Now this is my response right here. That is the problem of international bank card payment on 1688. You will get a refund, but to reflect in your bank card may take about 3 weeks or more. Now, this particular message here is not for everyone. However, if you make payments with bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard, on your 1688 account, there are different means and you have refund issue just like this. Now, in this category of refund, you will get your money back. Okay, but one thing there is that it depends on the bank card you are using and the country you are coming from and the type of the currency you have on the card. There are some bank card here that when you use for payment on 1688 and you have refund issue like this, there are some bank card that will take about 1 week or more before they can get their money back. There are some bank card that take just 48 hours before they get their money back. So in this category, one needs to be fully exercise a little bit patient before you get your refund back successful into your bank card, whether Visa or MasterCard. However, this particular person here was very lucky because they use, I think they use crypto MasterCard for the payment and they got their refund notification in few minutes later, just like what you see right here. Okay, now the money will be successfully refunded back to bank card. Like I said, depends on the type of card you are using. There are some bank cards that take about 48 hours. There are some bank cards that take about 1 week or 2 weeks before the money will be refunded back to their bank card. However, if you are using MasterCard or Visa card for payment on 1688 and you will have a refund issue, just be patient and you get your money back successful. But if you are the type that do not have patience enough, consider to make use of Alipay. So Alipay is very guaranteed and safe and secure. And if you have any refund issue as far as Alipay is concerned, you get your refund successful instantly, provided that the supplier is willing to refund your money back. However, if you still have issue with refund between you and the supplier and Alipay, you can go ahead and ask for after sales intervention by 1688 customer support. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, or you have any related issue concerning your 1688, Alipay, any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Or better still, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I will reply to whatever question you might have for me as far as China importation business is concerned. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.